Okay, good afternoon, students. I am Subodh Deshpande from Saraswati Girls Junior College, K. I am going to teach you the 12th standard chapter. It is Wave Theory of Light. I hope you are stayed at your home and you are safe. Okay, I know that you are well known about the properties of light, like reflection, refraction, polarization and dispersion, etc. in your last standard, that is 11th science. I think you are well known about the history about the light. That is, in 17th century, people was very curious about the nature of light. They have many questions in their mind. To answer these questions, Newton came forward and gave the answers of these questions. He came forward to answer the questions of the 17th century people. He put forth a theory which is called as Newton's wave theory of light. According to this theory, Newton said light is made up of small teeny particles. Small teeny particles. He named these particles as corpuscles. According to him, these particles are small, teeny. When they enter in our eyes, we get the sensation of light. Sensation. But when these particles enter in our eyes, according to Newton's corpuscular theory, light travels faster in denser medium and with less speed in rarer medium. According to Newton, I repeat, velocity of light in rarer medium, velocity of light in rarer medium is greater than velocity of light in denser medium. Is greater than velocity of light in denser medium. Velocity of light in denser. Okay. According to Newton, different colors of light are due to different sizes of the particles. I repeat, the different colors of light are due to different sizes of particles. The next one, Newton said, when light meets from the source of light, the mass of source of light decreases. Light travel, I again say, light travels faster in denser medium than in rarer medium. Okay, these are the postulates of Newton's wave theory of light. This theory have drawbacks also. This theory was not perfect. There are some drawbacks. According to these drawbacks are, according to Newton, velocity of light in denser medium is greater than velocity of light in rarer medium, which was wrong. Many experiments done by various scientists proved that velocity of light in denser medium is less than velocity of light in rarer medium. So this was the drawback of this theory, which said velocity of light is greater in denser medium velocity of light in denser medium than velocity of light in rarer medium. Which was wrong. Next thing, Newton said the mass of source of light decreases when light emits from it, which was wrong. Mass remained constant. Which was proved after experiments. But according to Newton, mass of source decreases. Mass of source decreases. Newton said the different colors of light are due to different sizes of particle, which was wrong, and these are the drawbacks of wave theory of light. To overcome these drawbacks, Maxwell come forward with his theory, Maxwell's theory of electromagnetic waves. Maxwell's theory. Maxwell's theory of electromagnetic waves. What said Maxwell? Maxwell said that light is made up of electromagnetic waves. Light is made up of electromagnetic waves, or light is electromagnetic in nature. These electromagnetic waves travels with the speed of light. Means what? The speed of light and the speed of electromagnetic waves both are same. They are equal. Travels with speed of light. Maxwell introduced the concept of, or he gave the relation between electric and magnetic field. Maxwell introduced the idea of electric and magnetic field. And magnetic he also said that the light waves travels without any material medium. Means what? Light travels without any matter, any medium, whether it is solid, liquid or gas. Light wave doesn't require such type of medium. So they are electromagnetic. They also travel through vacuum. This was the theory of Maxwell's theory of electromagnetic waves. The next one we are going to study about the next theory related with wave nature. That theory was Planck's quantum theory. Planck's quantum. Quantum. According to Planck's quantum theory, light travels in the form of light energy in the form of packets called as quanta. These packets, they are called as quanta. And single particle is called as photon. Planck said, if E is the energy of light, E is energy of light, and nu is its frequency. Frequency of what? Frequency of light. Frequency of light. Then energy is directly proportional to frequency. I repeat, when E is the energy of light, nu is frequency of light, then energy is directly proportional to frequency of light. We convert this proportionality equation into equation that is E is equal to H into means what? Energy of photon is always equal to product of Planck's constant and frequency. This is the equation for energy of photon. This was Planck's quantum theory related with nature of light.